How to save and export video in CapCut. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open CapCut app on your phone. Now you want to go ahead and tap on New Project. As you do that, a pop-up will appear and select any of the video that you want to edit on CapCut. Now you need to edit the video as following. On the bottom you can see there are various editing tools. You can use them, and you can also tap on the video and then split it and do as following edits. And then to export, you want to tap on the arrow facing upward on the top right corner and export it. While exporting the video from CapCut, you need to make sure that you keep this screen open. You do not on other screen right here, and after it is 100%, your video is saved to your photos, and you can export through various apps like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and others. And after you're done, tap on done on the top right corner. And that is how to save an video in CapCut. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.